Small Boulder Opal parcel from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. These aren't high quality stones. They'd be good to practice on learning to shape them and get a nice polish. The first piece is probably the best piece here, and the price reflects what I think they're worth, which probably isn't really a lot. Basically little veins of colour in that piece. Weak flash of colour across the blue there. Like I said, the price reflects it. You're basically paying the cost of me sitting here to put them on the internet. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.